Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. Now, a couple of weeks ago, maybe a week ago, week and a half, I don't remember. A couple of weeks ago, I showed you our little 2x2 by 2 inch cubes, our clear acetate ones, that I had put paper on the inside, and you all seem to love them for a quick and easy, simple gift. So I thought I would take our acetate boxes, and these are designed for 3x3 cards, 7.5 by 7.5 centimetre cards. But instead, I've put little treats in. So I've put some single serve tea bags. So there's all sorts of fruit tea bags in there. I've got other ones here. So I've got Twinings, English Tea Shop, another Twinings, what's that one, Neil's Yard. But yeah, those are the kind of things you'd put in there. You can actually fit a little Burt's Bees lip balm too. So very much for little treats, but a nice quick gift. So I thought I'd make this one for you. Right, the paper you need for this, oh actually let's build the box. Got one half built here. They come completely flat packed like that. In a little packet, you get 10 of them, 3 1/8 by 3 1/8, 7.9 by 7.9 centimetres, so big enough to hold a 3x3 card and the envelope. So yeah, you just build it and gently fold in the sides, and well, you can see what to do because it's already been pre-scored for you. And there we go. So I'm going to leave it open, and what I've got here is a piece of paper that's 4.5 by 5 3/4 inches, 11.3 by 14.8 centimetres. So we're going to go down into millimetres. On the short side, score it at, where's my scoring tool? 3/4 inch and 3 3/4 inch. So in metric, wait for this, 1.8 centimetres and 9.5 centimetres. It's not good, but it fits perfectly, so go with me. On the long side, you're going to score it at 2.5 inches and 3 1/4 inches, which in metric, 6.5 centimetres and 7.8. It works, it fits perfectly for our metric folk doing that. It obviously does work perfectly well for our imperial. That's why I like working in metric. I can go super tiny on my measurements and you can see them on your trimmer or your scoring board. So I've just simply burnished, and I'll probably show you better this way round. There is a little square here. We're actually going to remove that completely. Because it's not needed at all. And again, just take them and cut it away completely. And this is how simple this project is. You fold it like that, and as long as you've got both bits facing the same direction, they're both going round, you just simply slide it in and it will go down to the bottom. It's going to leave this little 1/2 inch gap at the top, which is where you get a little peep of stuff. So I've got peppermint tea, I've got a Burt's Bees lip balm. Should we have some of this Neil's Yard organic summer tea? We can fit that one in as well. And should we stick a Twinings in? Fudge Melts green tea. I don't know if I like the sound of that, to be completely honest. I could fit more in. I've got a Twinings every day, but you know, that's a lot of tea for one person. Then that's okay. And just pop that into close. And that's a nice little treat. But of course, we're not leaving it like that. So this is Misty Moonlight paper. So I'm going to come in with some Misty Moonlight ribbon. This ribbon is retiring. The colour's not, the ribbon is. So I'm going to tie a bow on the front. Actually, I'm not. I'm going to tie a knot on the front and then twist it to the side. And then I've got, I really hope these are still in stock. They are retiring, all our circle punches, but we have circle dies, so I'm hanging on to mine for the minute. That was a 2-inch circle that's going to sit on the front. I need some Whisper White. That's a very big piece of Whisper White. It's okay. I've got my Dragonfly Garden. And which one should I choose? I don't know. This one. I'll have that one. Let me grab a nice big block. And I'm going to stamp that twice. And also, while I'm here, I'm going to check what colour blue I have got in here. That's okay, the pastel pearls, I've got the right shade of blue. I thought I might have to colour with blends then for a second. I'm going to get my ever faithful Wink of Stella and quickly colour over those wings. I forgot to say that was the Dragonfly Garden paper. At least I think that's the name of the paper. I'm only going over the wings though, not the body. And I'm going to punch those out. Both of them. And first I'm going to get one of them down, but I only want to put glue down the body. So I'm going to use mini glue dots for that. And I'm just sort of rolling that up a bit. Angle that on there. And then this one, I'm going to wrinkle the wings a bit, sort of creating a wing shape, I think. I don't really know what else to call it other than a wing shape, but just so that I get a little bit of movement. And this time I'm going to use my liquid glue and then just get that down the body and it's over the top of that one. Oh, there we go. Hold that in place. And I don't need these two little ones, but they would be cute. So I'm holding that for a second. I'm just going to do everything one-handed. And the pastel pearls, it's purple, excuse me, Purple Posy, Gorgeous Grape. This is sort of like an icy blue, this one, and then there's a pale pink, which is Blushing Bride-esque. But this one is very nice. So I'm going to pop 3 of those on there. Hope that's dry now. And get some tear and tape. I'm going to get that positioned, and then I can make my dragonfly's wings move a bit more. I mentioned on video the other day that I get lots of damselflies in my garden, and somebody asked me what they were. They're like very small dragonflies. Do Google, because they're beautiful and they have the most amazing vibrant colours. But yes, I get lots of those. But there you can see the elevation now of my dragonfly's wings, and this one too. And I just think that's a nice, sweet, cute, pretty treat. Nice, you could leave that on somebody's pillows when we can start, you know, going and visiting people again and staying over. That would be a nice guest pillow gift, wouldn't it? Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.